Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the Cherry on Top collection and the anniversary polish from Noodles Nail Polish. They are celebrating 9 years. Can you believe it? 9 years already. So the anniversary polish is going to be priced at $10, and the Cherry on Top collection is filled with 8 polishes. It's actually filled with glitter toppers, which you can wear on their own or you can apply it over another polish, and each of these polishes are going to be $10 each as well. These are releasing Thursday, July 14th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time on the Noodles Nail Polish website, and of course these were sent to me to swatch and share with you. So with that being said, let's jump in. The first one I'm going to talk about is the anniversary polish. This is 9 years. Again, this is going to be priced at $10. It's described as a soft semi-sheer lavender base with pink, orange, copper shifting shimmer, hollow micro flakies, and pale pink and gold hollow glitters. This is definitely on the sheer side, but it is so pretty. It has that inner glow that is seriously my obsession. I applied 3 coats. As you can see, you can still make out my nail line, so you can definitely use this as a topper as well if you wanted to. I actually like the softer look with it being a semi-sheer and seeing my nail line, so I stuck with 3. It does need top coat for shine, and removal will be difficult because there are some glitter. Now we're going to dive into the Cherry on Top collection. Again, it's filled with toppers. All polishes are $10, and this is Cherry Blossoms, and it is so stinking cute. This is a magenta and various shades of pink and blue matte glitters glitter topper, or you can wear it by itself. As I've said, I feel like a million times already, this is seriously the cutest on its own or over like a light pale pink. Oh my gosh, it's gonna look so pretty. It definitely needs some top coat to smooth things out and to add some shine, and it will be difficult to remove because it's filled with glitter. Next up is a Cherry on Top, and this is all colors of the rainbow sprinkles. It's purple, pink, orange, yellow, blue, green, white, and red glitters. This seriously reminds me of sprinkles that you might put on your cookies or put on a cupcake. So cute. I applied 2 coats. Again, it's gonna be a little sheer. It's got a clear base. What can I say? But you can play it over any color that you wanted to because it would complement them all. So I applied top coat for shine, and removal will be difficult because it has glitter. Next up is Delicate, and this reminds me of sea glass in a bottle. I mean, am I wrong? I will fight you on it. If you think I'm wrong, I'm just kidding. This is a lavender, pale green, periwinkle yellow, and light blue glitter topper. It does have some more sheer glitters in there, so Natalie from Noodles Nail Polish does recommend that you wear it over white or a really light color. I think it looks perfect on its own. I applied 2 coats, as you can see. Definitely going to need some top coat for shine and to smooth things out, and removal will be difficult. This beauty right here is Flamingo, and it's described as various shades of pink and iridescent pink iridescent glitters. Oh my gosh, and the name is so fitting for this. I mean, I don't know, when I looked at the description, I didn't even have to look at the bottom of the bottle of this one because it just fits, right? So I applied 2 coats, as you can see. This is another one that I think would look good over a very pale light pink, maybe even white, but I feel like that pale pink would allow some of those shades in there to kind of pop more, maybe. I don't know. That's just what I'm envisioning in my mind right now. But either way, I applied 2 coats. It does need top coat for shine and to smooth things out, and removal will be difficult. If you can only get one polish, I'm going to say it's this one right here, Happy Vibes. This is a blue, violet, pink, gold, color shifting flaky, and pink and fuchsia and violet metallic and hollow glitters. There were so many ands in there. I added more ands than I needed to. Forgive me. This is so pretty. It's so multi-dimensional. I cannot recommend this one enough. If you can only get one, hands down, let it be this one. It is so pretty. And I feel like if you added a 3rd coat, which unlike me, I stuck with 2, I feel like that 3rd coat would really add. I think you might be able to get full coverage with this. Maybe even sponging it on would get you there, but this is definitely one of the more filled of the collection, if you will. So I feel like the chance of this being fully opaque, it's much higher than some of the other ones. I applied a top coat to smooth things out and to add some shine, and it does have some glitters, so those glitters will be difficult to remove. This one here is Let's LUAU, which is a yellow, magenta, orange, turquoise, and blue matte glitters and gold hollow glitter topper, or wear it on its own. I applied 2 coats for this one. I actually think this one might be able to reach full opacity if you sponge it on. I mean, because just look at that coverage. You're getting quite a bit. So I applied 2 coats though. That's just my standard, so I like to stick with it. I added top coat for shine and to smooth everything out, and removal will be difficult. This one here is Neon Nights, and it's described as having black stars and matte glitters with neon dot glitters. This is another one whose glitters are more on the sheer side. Those neon glitters are definitely more on the sheer side. So just be mindful of the base color that you decide to go with. I actually love this one on its own, and I came to realize that when I was swatching all these, like, I always surprise myself when I don't use a base color for glitter toppers because I end up falling in love with them, but the truth is it happens every single time, so I should not be surprised anymore. This does require a little bit of glitter placement, so be mindful of that. It's really not that difficult. I just moved it around with my brush. Any glitters that were sticking together, super easy to accomplish, and those star glitters are easy to avoid if you don't like them. I actually like them. I think they add a little something. Also, this is perfect for Halloween, so maybe you don't want to use it now, or maybe you don't get around to using it now. You can use it again during the Halloween season. At least that's what I think of when I look at this. Perfect for summer, but also for some Halloween nails too. So I added some top coat for shine, and removal will be difficult. And this last one is Pocketful of Sunshine. This is a polish, a clear base polish filled with yellow matte and gold hollow glitters. This really does look like a pocket full of sunshine, doesn't it? I mean, it's so cute. I feel like I would just put this over like a pale pink, but what glitter topper would I not put over a pale pink? But again, it looks super cute on its own too. Oh my gosh, you could use this over black. Get like a little bumblebee vibe going on the nails. I think that would be cute too. I decided to stick with 2 coats. Again, you could probably sponge it on to get more coverage. You might actually be able to accomplish full coverage with that one, but I stuck with 2. It does require some top coat to smooth things out and to add some shine, and removal will be difficult because of the glitter. Now let's talk about my favorites one more time in case you missed it. This first one is 9 Years. Super obsessed with the lavender and that shimmery, shifty glow from within effect. I mean, these have been around for so long and I still can't get enough of them. They're just so stinking pretty. The next one is Cherry Blossoms. I mean, if you know me, this was probably a given. It's just too stinking cute. I mean, look at it. It's adorable. The next one is Flamingle. If you're looking for that bright summer shade but not neon, I feel like this would be that glitter topper that you're looking for. It's got the brights in there, but it's not neon, and it comes together so well. Now, if you can only get one, I'm going to say it one more time. Happy Vibes is the one to go with. This is different from what I usually see when it comes to these shifty flakies. Oftentimes we see them more on the green gold side, not so much the pinkier side. At least I haven't come across them like this. So I don't know, I just feel like it's one that really jumps out to me. And the last one is Neon Nights. Like I said before, this is perfect for summer right now, but you can use it again during the Halloween season. It fits right in. So you got a multi-purpose polish. You can keep the star glitters around, or if you don't like them, you can easily avoid them too. It's just so versatile. So that is what I've got for you guys today. I hope to be around soon. There is like so much going on behind the scenes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.